Hey, my name is Am from Hyperbolic. In this demo, I'll showcase how to use our VS Code extension to serve a vLLM model on a public endpoint. We'll start by renting two H100s and exposing port 8000. In settings, you want to make sure you've set your Hugging Face token. Once the instance is ready, we can press Serve vLLM Model and enter the Hugging Face model name. Since we're using MetaLlama 3, it's a gated model, so we're going to require Hugging Face authentication. And we'll select Live Terminal Setup. And then we can watch as the extension installs all dependencies, vLLM, as well as starts the server. And then we can see that our server is now running. We'll grab the public URL. We'll form a request using the public URL with a v1 completions endpoint, the model, and our prompt. And as you can see, we have a response, and we've hit the server with a 200 OK. Since this is a public URL, you can share it with your team, and you now have a dedicated hosted model on a private GPU. In the next demo, I'll show how you can interact with the GPU directly within its own remote workspace. Thanks for watching, and follow for more AI dev tools from Hyperbolic.